Hello everyone. Now have a look on illustration number 43. There are three partners L, M and N have omitted interest on capital for 3 years. Means three partners are there and they have omitted interest on capital for 3 years. No problem. Their fixed capital was 40,000, 25,000, 15,000. No issue. Rate of interest was 12%. Their profit sharing ratio were, means for 3 years they were having different ratios. In 2015 they were having 5:1. In 2016 they were having 3:1, and in 2017 they were having 2:1. Means for 3 years they have changed their ratio. So give necessary adjusting entry. Means adjusting entry we have to give, and for giving adjusting entry we have to prepare an adjustment table. An adjustment table we will prepare for 2015, 16, 17. We will write 12% of 40,000, 4,800 for 3 years. Total to be credited 14,400, and 12% of 25,000 will be 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Total will be 9,000. Now 12% of 15,000, 1,800, 1,800, 1,800 means total 5,400. We have to give these interest on capital for 3 years, and similarly we will do total also. Now since they were having different ratios, so we have to write it, divide it 9,600 in 5:1. First time we will divide this 9,600 in 5:1. Second time we will divide this 9,600 into 3:1. Third time we will divide this 9,600 into 211. Sorry. So this will be the total amount to be debited. Interest on capital is always credited, and their profit total, their total will be debited in profit sharing ratio, since the ratio was different in different years. So we have done like this. We have written interest on capital, we have calculated, it was similar because the capitals were fixed. Capitals were fixed, so it was similar. So we have calculated it for 3 years. Now first 9,600 will be divided in 5:1. 2015's ratio was 5:1. Next 9,600 will be divided in 3:1, and next 9,600 will be divided 211 in the ratio of their respective years. Total will be the total amount to be debited. Now we will see credit is big or debit is big. Here debit is big, so else capital account will be, current account will be debited because the capitals were fixed. Else current account, and the difference will be 1,200. Here M's credit is more than debit, so he will be credited. N's credit is also more than debit, he will be credited. Only L's debit was more than credit, so L's current account debited to M's current account to N's current account. And last of all we have to write the narration also, adjustment for omission of interest on capital for 3 years. We have omitted interest on capital for 3 years and the ratio was different. This is why we have done like this. In one earlier question we have just multiplied the interest on capital with 3 years, and we have just take the total and divided in, debited in the ratio. Now in this question there are 3 ratios, 3 different ratios for different years, so we have done like this. Thank you.